Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Sailesh Kushwaha and in this tutorial we will learn how to log into OpenShift cluster using web console, how to log into OpenShift cluster using command line tool, and then we will have the demo. So the first one is using web console. So for using web console we need to get the URL which came from Red Hat. So this is the URL in my case, so I have copied that URL, and when we use this URL, it will redirect us to the Red Hat login page because of the auth2 authentication has been implemented for security purposes, and then it will navigate or redirect us to the console. The second method is using the OC command line tool. So OC means OpenShift cluster. So you need to download this command line tool from the URL which I have provided in slide. So you can get this, and y- you need to execute this exe from the Windows command. So let me demonstrate you the demo as how we log in into the system using various ways. First of all, we go to the web browser, and then we will paste the once I use the URL, it will log in into my system. No redirection has been performed because the credentials are already saved in my browser. So this is the landing page which this has given me. You can download the command line tools from the URL that I have provided into the slide, as well as from the this option. So here we have the option of various command line tools as per the system. We have command line tool for the Linux, Mac machine, Windows, and there are different others one. And there is one another command line tool Udo. So it performs the same functionality, but it has rich features which I will demonstrate in separate video. So this is all about the web GUI. So we demonstrate as how can we log in using the command line tool. So for that I have already downloaded the command line tool and I have extracted that one. So what you need to do is like you need to go to this particular location, and in the address bar you just need to type cmd. All I will type OC version command to check whether the OC tool is working or not. So it has given me the client version that we are using OpenShift client 4.4.0, and the Kubernetes version is 1.7.1. Then we will log in using the credentials. So in order to log in using the command line tool, we will copy the login command from here, and it will open this window where we can get the login command. So this is the login command for me. I have copied that one, and in the command line tool I will paste this URL. So it has logged into it has allowed to log in into my system, and then I am seeing that I have already created a project, so I'm using that project. So I will once again verify. So it says that I am logged in with this credentials. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please go through my channel and subscribe if you haven't. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at the rate Codecraft Shop. Thank you.